2013 Mitsubishi Lancer ES in black, one owner, clean Carfax, and MP3, USB/iPod ready Bluetooth connectivity, audio controls on steering wheel. If the Chapman emblem isn't on the back of your vehicle, you probably paid too much.